Alright guys, today I'm going to be trying the Lay's Krabby Funyuns. Oh yes. I'm recording a video because we're going to be trying these chip flavors that we never tried. Today I'm trying the Lay's Wavy Funyuns.
Okay, I just walked into this video. I have no idea what is happening right now. So tell me what is happening.
We're testing different chip flavors that we never ever tried in our entire life.
Okay, so extra crunchy blue cheddar cheese. I have never tried, so that is probably gonna taste horrible.
Alright, there you go guys, here it is. Yo, this is actually fire. Oh my god, taste that. Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, this is buzzing, bro.
Alright.
Why have we not tried this?
Extra
bro?
crunchy blue cheddar cheese. No,
No, we tried all of them together.
no, I tried first.
That means
then
you tried.
it.
Alright.
They're really good.
Oh wow. You can tell that's a lot more like crispier than the actual cheese, but it's still good.
Really good.
Now you try. Oh, you already tried that.
I already tried that.
Let's try the hot and spicy pork.
You know what? We're gonna try every flavor, and I mean every chip that we have. Because if we try chips that we haven't tasted yet, it's probably gonna take like it's probably gonna take like 5 minutes. It won't even be that long. But if we taste all the chips, it will be better, basically.
So today we have the pork rinds, hot and spicy. Oh, here we go, guys. Ooh, actually, sorry guys, but I know you guys can go. Hot. There you go. Now you guys can see this.
We're taking the hot and spicy
Pork rings. Here we go. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness, dude.
It looks like giant Daki.
3, 2, 1.
It's a mid.
6 out of 10.
Terrible.
It's spicy. The pork ring, it actually tastes good, but like the spiciness though, is pretty not good. So
It smells horrible.
I'm actually gonna give it a 7 out of 10. It's actually not bad. It's not bad. Oh yeah, we forgot to rate. We forgot to rate these.
Yeah.
The Lay's Wavy, this is a 10 out of 10. This is literally, I don't know how we had not tried these. These are so good. Oh my goodness.
I give that an 8 out of 10. I give the extra crunchy blue cheddar.
Yeah, Buffalo Cheez-Its. Let's give
an
it
extra crunchy
extra
blue cheddar.
extra crunchy blue cheddar Cheez-Its.
I give
8
those
out
a
of
9
10.
out of 10.
9 out of
Those are
10.
pretty good.
Pork rinds, 7 out of 10.
5 out of 10. I do not like them.
Now we're gonna try the sweet, spicy sweet chili Cheetos.
Already a 10 out of
This
10.
is James' actually favorite
literally
flavor.
my favorite chips
These are
ever.
James' favorite flavors.
These are the best chips I've ever. Already, no, like, I don't even know, like, 20 out of 10, bro. These are the best chips I have ever tasted. Right here. Sorry. Bro. So fire.
Yeah. This is busted. 10 out of 10.
Doritos, you're on the good track. This is really good.
Now we're gonna try the crispy and crunchy, wavy, original potato chips right here. So let's go. 3, 2, 1.
I think they're stale.
No. No. I'm gonna give them 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I of 10. They're not the best, but they're not really bad.
They're not bad either. Alright, now we're gonna get Fritos. Oh yeah, this is I'm pretty sure this is the original. Here we go. Original Fritos. You get one. Oh my god, they're big. 3. Look at first the look.
I got a scoop.
Yeah. These are scoop Fritos.
Alright, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Well, I have both flavors.
Oh! It was still recording, sorry guys. I said my phone battery's at 20%, but it's still recording. Let's go. 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna 8.5. You're pretty good.
8.5.
The salt makes it better.
There we have personally my favorite chip. Sour cream and onion Pringles, American flavor.
Well, I mean, I've already tasted them, but yeah, they're really good.
Here we go. It looks a lot paler on
Already,
camera.
I already give it a 9 out of 10. Sour cream and onion chips are pretty good.
It looks pretty stale on camera, but it's not that stale.
Yeah,
I mean, it's not that
it
pale.
literally always looks stale.
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for me. And
Now,
my second favorite chips. I
These
really like
spicy-
spicy chips.
are these scorching?
I'm
Sour,
not gonna.
scorching?
I don't want you to try this because he literally dies when he eats one of these, bro.
That was before.
Well, yeah, he's
Here
still.
we have these scorching hot sour cream and onion chips.
They're just like
on
sour cream and onion,
Pringles.
but it takes them up a notch.
It's spicy sour cream and onion. That's what it
Personally,
is.
It takes it up a notch. I give it a 9. Sour cream and onion is 9 out of 10. I give this one 10 out of 10. These are my second favorite chips ever.
Oh, I'm gonna give
Except
you.
the sweet
I'm gonna,
spicy
I'm
chili
gonna,
Doritos.
I'm gonna show you guys the redness on this. This is like the
mine
spicy.
is like way better.
3, 2,
2, 1.
1.
These aren't spicy to me anymore because I literally eat this all the time, so I'm just used to it by now. It only gets spicy, just like the sweet spicy chili Doritos.
Bro,
It
these,
only gets spicy if you like eat a lot.
bro, these aren't spicy at all, dude.
I told you, it only gets spicy if you eat a lot, bro.
I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
10
Good.
out of 10 for me.
Oh yeah. This is basically original Lay's flavor. We already tried this, so this does actually no. We have to try this still. Because maybe like what if like the salt in this changed? Yeah. Alright,
You know what that?
here we go.
Hold up. Give me one. Give me one.
So here we go.
Okay, I got 2 now.
3,
2.
2, 1.
Way better than the Kroger one.
Oh, these are way better than the other ones. This is 10 out of 10. This is way better.
9.5 out of 10 for me. These are really good.
Now we have the sea salted potato chips. This sounds
Ew, this
disgusting.
sounds like
Let's try what it is.
seafood potato fries.
Oh, never judge a book by its cover. Let's see what this is about. See what this is about. Oh, this is by Ruffles too. So,
Yeah, Ruffles is so underrated.
all right. Let's see what it is.
This smells like crap.
See what's popping. 3,
It smells mid. Is it just gonna be like salt and vinegar? I don't know.
3, 2, 1. These literally taste like the original Lay's chips. They literally taste exactly like
They
them.
taste nothing. I'm gonna give it A 1 out of 10
A
because
1 out of
it's
10.
literally copying
First of all,
chips.
copying Lay's chips, it literally tastes like nothing. Sea salt, I do not recommend this. We do not recommend this. Do not try this flavor. It
I
sucks.
love
It tastes like
Ruffles, but
nothing.
this is so good.
It tastes like nothing, bro. This tastes terrible.
Alright.
Alright, guys, here we go. We have Mountain Trail Mix Peanuts. Oh my god.
That isn't
If you guys-
chips.
But you said we have to try everything.
I said try every chip.
If you guys know,
We'll just try them.
if you guys know, me and James
hate peanuts.
hate peanuts.
But there's still M&Ms in here.
So there's M&Ms, so hopefully
And
this will
also,
be
a
better.
lot of people are hating on M&Ms for some reason. Yeah, it makes literally no sense.
Alright, guys. Alright, no, this is too on the plane.
I'm gonna try
I'm gonna try M&M and peanuts at the same time.
peanut. Oh,
3,
a plain
Alright, guys.
peanut. I'm gonna try right now.
3, 2, 1.
Peanuts are so awful, bro. Oh,
Okay.
it's like crap. Give me some M&Ms. Let me refresh it.
Literally, the only thing that I can taste right now is the M&Ms.
Alright, I got 2 M&Ms.
Once
right
again, the peanuts literally taste like nothing. They don't even taste.
now. M&Ms are so good, bro.
Literally, all I just tasted there was the M&Ms. I think all I tasted
Yeah,
there.
M&Ms are good. Yeah, we also got Hawaiian Punch in the background. Really
Yeah.
good, really, especially the fruit punch, which we got.
Alright,
On
I'm
the
gonna
fruit juicy red was
see what this is popping about. Original pita chips.
that
Weird.
looks awful.
These look like pizza rolls, bro.
Those are terrible.
These look terrible, bro, but never judge a book by its cover. Let's see what it looks.
No, we just sea salt, and we were right. It was terrible.
You're right, it was terrible. Give it a smell. Bro, look at these. These look terrible, bro. On camera, this looks pretty good, but off camera, these are terrible, bro. Oh my
It
god.
looks like
They have like holes in them.
it looks like it just came out of the oven, bro.
Alright, James, you get one.
Oh my god, bro. This is the worst day of my life, bro. What
3,
is this?
3. Well, smell it, smell it. It smells terrible. Oh my god.
It smells like crap.
It smells so pale. Oh, it smells so
Okay, I'm
stale.
trying like one
3,
nibble.
2,
of this, bro.
1.
Oh my god.
0, -5 out of 10. That was the worst chip flavor I've ever tasted in my entire life. Oh my god, those were terrible. -5 out of 10.
Bro,
Super
why are you
duper.
being so why are you cutting them some slack? Why are you being so positive about these chips? -5.
Guys, I have to work tomorrow morning. I have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. I've been gone.
Alright.
Keep it down as light as you can so I can get up on time.
Alright.
I'll help yourself to whatever you want down there. You know? See another cat anywhere?
You went this way.
Dude, what
Just
are
make
you
sure you keep that bonus room door open too, okay? That's where his litter box is at. That's Alfredo.
What are you saying? Why are you being so polite to them? This is not a -5 out of 10. This is like negative infinity, bro. This is like the worst chips.
This is
This is the worst food of all time.
This is the
bro.
worst chip flavor I've ever
Whoever
tasted
made
in my
this-
entire
Whoever
life.
made this, consider yourself an off.
Consider
bro.
yourself an off. I do not recommend this. We do not
At
recommend
all.
this.
all.
Never ever try this
Don't
chip flavor.
even nibble it. It tastes like a freaking. It tastes like cement. It
It
tastes.
literally tastes like cement,
No,
bro.
it literally tastes cement with cat food and dog food on top of it.
It might just be stale, but we don't know. But I'm
no,
still giving
me,
it.
remember Mimi just got those for Britain like
Oh,
2 weeks ago.
those taste terrible. Okay, guys, we have the Cool Ranch fries chips. Oh my god! They made these fries Cool Ranch fries chips. These are fries as chips.
No one Cool Ranch that I prefers Doritos.
Alright, that smell test. Smell test. Yeah. Alright, so who smell?
It smells awful, doesn't it?
You smell.
Yeah,
I'm not saying anything. You smell.
I'm not getting a thick one. Yeah, definitely.
What? Oh my god. You're so picky.
Yep, I'm getting the smallest one because I already know it's gonna be trash.
It tastes.
I'm throwing up already from the smell.
It tastes like those noodles. We have like these terrible noodles, bro. Sometimes, one time I ate this like noodle and it tastes exactly like that terrible noodle that I ate.
What do you mean taste? We haven't even tried it yet, bro. You mean
It smelled like exactly like it, bro.
This looks like a pea, a dried frozen pea, bro.
Here you go. 3, 2, 1. Bro, I need to lick something. Pickles. Wait, guys, we're also trying everything from this fridge too. Yes.
I hate pickles.
No. These are like the burger pickles, bro. These are so much better.
I don't like pickles, bro. You know that.
Yeah, for them.
Yes, you do.
Wait, open this, dude. I can't open this.
Oh yeah, I'm guessing I don't have these though.
Alright, fine. Now, let's go back.
Bet. Trying everything in the fridge.
Let's try it.
We're gonna do this later also.
So stay tuned.
Everything we need everything.
Well, this is basically it, dude. Because literally, like, all the other ones we already tried, so.
Yeah. Oh my god, I cannot get over that.
Always the worst shit burger we tasted.
Easily the cement dog from Cat
Yeah,
Food ones.
easily the pita chips, bro. They tasted like cement, bro. They
With
tasted
dog
terrible.
food and cat food on top of it.
The
With
second-
diarrhea and pee on top of it.
Second worst was the Cool Ranch fries. Oh my god, they tasted terrible, bro.
Even the Cool Ranch Doritos was mid, bro. I cannot get the feeling out of my mouth. Like,
Yeah, that just pained me, dude. It literally pained me. French onion. Alright, guys,
oh my god. Okay, it might be like
we have French onion dip from the fridge.
It's only fair.
See what it is.
It's only fair.
We need to get the original
Wait,
Lay's.
no, we have to get
It was
the
the
plain
this one.
the plain chips. See how we have to taste the food.
So we have to give like a big one. These are not big. These are very small.
This one is.
Okay, I'll try this one.
Okay.
Alright, guys, here we go. Alright, guys.
Looks awful.
Here it
It
is.
reminds me just like onion.
3,
It reminds me just like onion dip.
3, 2. You bake one in there. 3, 2, 1.
It's really good.
Actually, pretty good. 7 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10 for me. Really good. Alright, put it up. Good sesame.
Jello.
Strawberry Jello. You know, Jace threw up one time eating this. That's not a joke at all.
That's not a joke. I actually threw up eating one of the Jellos. I despise Jellos. I
is
hate Jellos.
awful.
They taste terrible. I hate Jellos. I actually threw up eating one.
Bro,
Like,
chocolate pudding is so much better than Jello. Or vanilla
So
pudding.
is-
Which one?
you
Either
put
one. Oh my god. Okay, well, there's two for us, so. Chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding. Alright. Alright, sorry. I'm having trouble opening this.
I'm giving these up to a 9 out of 10. These flavor chips are really good.
Crap, dude.
Hard to open.
It's actually really hard to open, dude.
I got it.
I'm gonna try another side.
Oh, look at that. It looks so awful.
It literally is so like sticky, dude.
We have to get a spoon.
Okay, I think I got it. I got it.
Spoon.
So this dude. Alright guys.
Clear
so-
spoon. Clear plastic spoon.
Alright guys, here you go. This is yours is over there.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're trying
3,
Jello. Look at this.
2.
1. Can't even get it because it's so sticky.
Yeah, me either.
Nope. We're done. Goodbye. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. 0.
What did I tell you about being polite?
No, I'm not giving it. No,
A billion out of
I'm
10.
not giving. Okay, yeah, because it actually had flavor, but it had terrible flavor. All right. Negative a billion out of 10.
No,
Jello sucks.
if Jello wasn't sticky, it would have been good, bro.
No, if it wasn't. If it just wasn't trash, it would have been good, dude. It just wasn't trash.
Chocolate pudding.
Here you go, guys. You got chocolate pudding over here.
I eat these all the time. And lunch, we just ran out of them. Give me some chocolate pudding. Okay, you look these okay?
So, chocolate pudding.
Jocelyn, we shouldn't have put that spoon away because we need to get more.
No, it has Jello stuff on it, so.
This one tastes horrible.
Alright.
Give me my pudding.
One?
This is mine. If you want to yours.
Alright, guys. We have chocolate pudding right here. Test it out.
Hold on.
Look at that. It looks so good. I know on the camera it looks like poop, but
Yeah, it looks like dog crap on the camera, but
it's actually, it looks pretty good on off camera. Alright guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, and
it's so good. It tastes a little bit weird because it's sugar free, but still 9 out of 10. It's like,
9 out of 10.
I'm going to eat this whole jar already.
So good.
We're not eating another food until we finish this.
We're already, oh wow, we're already 23 minutes in.
No, now we're 24 minutes in.
Yeah, we're 24 minutes in. Oh. Like, comment down below. Comment down below what flavors you want us to try next, or what other food you guys want us to try next.
If you want us to do a drink video,
You guys want us to do a drink video? We
we
can.
got coffee, we got Hawaiian
Yo,
punch.
you want to actually do the drink one right now, too? Or no?
I think what we're gonna do, okay, like right after this video, we
Right
post this
after.
video, we're gonna upload a drink video, just like immediately.
Literally immediately after we post it, we're gonna do a drink video. Right.
I forgot to eat those.
What?
The
Tostitos?
things at the top.
Oh, I was literally going to say those too, bro. I was gonna say that. We need to eat at the top.
Yeah,
No, we'll
eat
do
the
that.
one
We'll do that after the drink
Yeah.
video.
Because it's food.
Oh yeah.
We're just gonna do that just after the fridge.
Alright guys, so you're done? Now, let's get something else for the lunch. Hot fudge. We have hot fudge right here.
Yo, Sauce, give me a butt. Pour it in each other's mouth. I don't know how to do this.
Up in your mouth. Actually, let me
No,
test it.
we're gonna pour it in. No, we're gonna use. Oh, man, it's pouring in our mouths.
Is it going in?
No. It's not.
Oh, dude. It says microwavable hot fudge. Hot fudge.
Oh, so no.
Microwave. It says microwave
I'm
30
not
seconds.
microwaving this. We have to do stuff right from the fridge. So.
Alright, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna save the. We have a Lunchables. We have a Lunchable in here, but we're gonna save it for last.
Oh no, this is your Lunchable.
We'll eat it together because it's huge. We'll save that for last. For now,
Oh yeah, there's pieces, so we can share the pieces.
we have a Lunchable in our fridge, and we're gonna save that for
We'll
last.
split this in half right here.
Okay.
We'll split this in
Oh, fruit yogurt. Fruit yogurt, guys.
apple yogurt.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is apple yogurt. This might be super disgusting. Let's see what it's about though. Is it about that life? Or no? Oh. Oh my. Oh, it looks apple-y flavor too. Oh my
Let me
god! Smell that. It smells terrible.
My nose will never be the same after this video. My mouth will never be the same after this video. Oh my god.
Here we go, guys. 3, 2.
For the garbage one, we get the. For the garbage ones, we get the normal plain white spoons. But for the clear one, you didn't let me taste it. But for the clear one,
No,
get it back.
no, it wasn't dumped. It wasn't dumped over.
I already have one right here. Let's just taste this.
Oh yeah, taste the cat.
Throw that garbage away. Apparently, we're gonna use these, the plastic plain white spoons for the garbage ones, and we're gonna use the good ones for the clear ones. Just look at that. This looks garbage, bro.
Yeah, it tastes terrible.
What the?
Yeah, just put that water in there.
Wow.
We have this.
Made that garbage. That was awful. That was literally almost like the worst thing I've ever tasted.
We have.
Except those pita chips.
Sorry guys, I'm pretty sure this is blueberry jelly.
Sounds good.
Sounds good because I eat jelly biscuits.
Grape jelly is my favorite jelly.
Oh yeah. Oh, we can't get it open. This is like solid shut.
What is this?
Try to open that. It's like solid shut. Never mind.
You don't pull it up. Do that.
What's this spoon? The good
Clear spoon.
Clear.
This looks good.
Clear spoons.
Well, I mean, it kind of doesn't look good. It kind of looks like bloody brown diarrhea. I mean, black diarrhea. It looks horrible from there, and it also looks kind of horrible here. But it might taste good because grape jelly looks bad and it tastes good. So We should have found the light spoons. We should have found the light spoons. That is awful. Why are we getting Dude, why are we always getting the
Oh
garbage?
my god. Well, we had so much potential for that jelly. It tasted horrible. It's like -5 out of 10. It wasn't that. It wasn't like super duper bad.
Stop being polite. It's -1 billion.
Yeah, -1
Billion. Trillion. Actually, trillion.
-1 trillion. It is so bad. Oh my god, dude. Your jelly's terrible, bro. Oh my goodness.
Close this. Shut. Throw it away. I was so good, but
Oh my goodness, man.
it's awful. Where was it?
Oh,
More jelly.
yo. This is another one.
Oh my god.
This is another great jelly right here.
I found another blueberry jelly. You
Alright.
can't taste that.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit over here. Alright. There you go. That looks like it's about a lot better, actually. Nice, like tilted actually this way.
No, Charlie, don't eat that.
Oh, yeah. See you later, puking, bro. See you later, puking.
No. He just ate the garbage Coleridge fries thing.
Oh, yeah, he's puking. He's
Yeah, I'm
puking.
sorry, Charlie. That's awful.
I don't smell anything.
Is it grape?
Let's
It's
get,
grape.
let's get,
Grape only tastes
let's get the plain spoons just in case.
just in case. Just in case.
Alright, guys. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Actually, no. Put the camera back. Put the camera back.
It is
It looks kind of weird over there.
I know,
I know,
Charlie.
Charlie. Sucks. Alright, guys, here we go. We have another gravy and jelly. For some reason, we have one more
Why
great
is it
jelly.
built like a jello though?
Alright, let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Oh god, oh that's hot belly.
That is not jelly.
I'm glad we got the white spoons.
We don't have the white spoons. I'm actually afraid to try the next one.
Dude, we're always getting the garbage foods, bro. And that wasn't even jelly. It's like a jello, bro. This isn't even regular.
Oh, dude, the other jelly's literally the
It's
same.
jam.
Oh, it's jam. Yeah.
It's jams, that's why.
Dude, the other one that
That's
we were about to try was the exact same thing as the first one we tried. So, I'm not trying that.
Oh my god.
Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. If you guys don't know, me and James hate mayonnaise. Hate
Okay,
mayonnaise.
I know what to get.
Forgive us.
White spoons. No, we need to save the bottom.
Who cares, dude? Who cares?
I'm getting like a little millimeter of it. There's no way you're actually.
I'm not trying everything of it, bro. I'm just getting one taste of it and then throwing all of that away. Look at that.
Okay,
That's
you deserve to
disgusting.
be thrown away, so I'm gonna get the biggest piece.
This thing already looks terrible.
Yeah, Robbie, I don't know how you like this. I literally almost drank all of my water. All my water.
That's how bad like almost all the fridge ones are. All the fridge ones like almost terrible.
They also will not be trying cooked foods because we don't want to do all that because we are lazy. So yeah.
I don't even like olives.
There's no way. No.
Olives.
Alright.
Olives, guys. Olives. Look at that. Those are
No,
olives.
new plan. We get 2 freebies.
You get 2 freebies.
And we're definitely using one of those.
I'm a Sigma and I have like a plus a billion aura, so I'm tasting it.
No, it would just make you weird. Why? Because even if we do get freebies, why would you not use them on that? That would just make you
You don't
weird.
want freebies.
Yeah, because it just makes you weird.
Alright guys, we're getting an olive.
You know that girl who's afraid of olives? You know that girl who's afraid of olives? Stop making fun of her. I would be afraid of these too. Those are. I already know they're awful.
Oh, James, I actually almost puked, bro. You do not want to taste those.
I know you use something. Use a freebie.
But if you have plus billion aura in a Sigma, then that's why I tasted these.
No, you know you
They're
do
terrible.
you got like 2 aura max, bro.
Minus infinite. Negative infinite out of 10. Do not try these.
I used one of my freebies, so I have literally 1 left. Freebie. This is my last freebie.
Freebie, I'm not tasting this. This looks terrible. Let's just smell it. Let's just smell it. I don't even taste it.
No, Ashley, this is another rule. If you use a freebie, you use it for both of them. So if one person uses the freebie, it's for both of them.
Yeah.
Is that garlic? That's what it is.
I'm pretty sure that is valid. So we're out.
He used a freebie, which means I still have one left.
more freebie to go.
We both have one. We will not be trying any sauces because we are tasting full food. So yeah, we're tasting foods.
I think that's all. Smart balance.
I hate butter.
Supports healthy cholesterol levels.
That's butter.
Okay guys, this is it. We're done.
That's awesome.
Now we're doing the drinks. Slash sauces.
No, not sauces. We're not doing sauces. No, it just tastes absolutely awful.
Alright guys. This was the foods. And this, oh I know, we have to taste one on top, remember?
So not the outro.
Not the outro, we're kidding. I think it's raining outside.
The famous chips. And you use more sauce out for cheese.
Alright guys, here we go. Oh yeah, we forgot to put the mayonnaise up.
I wonder. Hold up. I would be trying this with soy sauce, but I don't know if they have soy sauce. The chicken chips are really good though, either way.
Boston, 10 out of 10. Good.
Yep, found him. We found him anyway.
Fancy cakes.
Woohoo! We're just gonna get 1 pack for 1 for each.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm
Looks
gonna
pretty
get
good.
2. No, there's only 1 left, so let's go.
Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, sorry guys, my phone said my
40
phone battery's
minutes.
at 10%. 10%. Oh my, dude, we're at 40 minutes. Oh, this is like our longest video yet, dude.
Alright.
This is our
3,
longest video of all
2,
time.
oh yeah, these are fancy cakes by Little
3,
Debbie.
2, 1.
Mmm.
Mm.
11 out of 10. That is so good.
No, out of 10. This is good. All right. Lunchables.
These are the last freeze food. Limonata.
Very nice. Lunchables right here. So you have a Capri Sun, fruit punch
I'll
flavor.
probably let you have that because I already have one.
Then we have the entire meal. We have sauce, pizza. I think it's like some sprinkles, and then we have some cheese, cheddar cheese right there. And then others. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We only get 2 pieces. And the last bread is for the chocolate thing, which
The
we'll
chocolate
split.
one, which we were split. All right, so since there's two pizza ones that we're gonna try, so we're gonna get. All right, guys, here we go.
And sesame.
All right, here we go. We have the pizza crust right here. We have the sauce right here for the pizza. So let's open that. Let's open that up.
And for this challenge, this is something really weird about me. Let me just tell you. I do not like cheese, and that's just weird, but I eat pizza and I eat goldfish, and I eat Cheez-Its, so that basically makes no sense. But I just don't like plain cheese.
Yeah, he doesn't like plain cheese.
But today, for this challenge, I'll be eating it with cheese on to get more aura. So.
Then, oh, fudge cakes, man. There's no pepperoni.
Yeah, that's literally the best topping on pizza. So that's dookie.
So I guess there's gonna be cheese pizza.
It's dookie, dog.
Yeah. By the way, our favorite flavor of pizza is
It's
pepperoni.
pepperoni. Pepperoni's like literally the best flavor.
All right, guys, almost done with my pizza. All right, I am officially done with my pizza.
I'm officially not done with my salsa.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to spread the sauce around.
Oh crap.
We need to spread the sauce around.
Okay. Throw this away.
We need to squish
You
it.
don't have to use your finger. Just spread it with a spoon.
No, that's how I can use my fingers.
No, hold up. That would just be wasting the spoon again.
All right, guys, I'm officially done with my pizza.
I'm not done. I need to spread it. I think that's good.
I
Dip
got
on my
some.
teeth. Okay, so
Go. All right,
okay, I think that's enough.
Right,
Just
guys.
need to spread it around.
3, 2, 1. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. So good.
Mmm. This is good. Amazing good.
Mmm.
Pizza is 10 out of 10.
Mhm.
This is very
10 out of
good.
Easily 10 out of 10.
Oh. Mm.
45 minutes we're in right now. Imagine if your phone dies and doesn't save
Oh.
any of this.
Oh, bro, speaking of, we need a charger. Alright, we have Mimi's phone
Yeah,
charger right there.
bro, your phone's about to die.
I know.
I already have
What do you want me to
problem.
do?
Well, then we'll need to move it.
Alright.
So I said charge Jason's phone. Because we record all our videos on Jason's phone all the time. And this phone's about to die. Jesus, bro. Right there. I'm right there, come on.
I really don't know how to put this in, to be honest.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's a closed one. That's bullcrap. It's bullcrap.
Oh my god, yeah. Yes.
I'm having to. It's.
Okay, I just had to hold the thing.
Alright, guys.